Hi my friends, and welcome back. I'm George Pierce, and I do want to thank you for watching. This video is about my weekly giveaway. Each week I give away an internet marketing gift, and this week's giveaway is huge. There's no email required. It's 100% free, and I do want to get right to it. But before we do, I want to remind you that this channel is about growing your YouTube channel as well as making money online as an affiliate. If either of those are of interest, don't forget to subscribe. Smash the subscribe button and ring the bell. That way you're going to get notified when these videos are published. This week's giveaway is a video series, and there's a whole lot more. The name of the giveaway is 5 Reasons to Market Your Business with Video, and it's really more about, it is about video marketing, but it's primarily focused at or aimed at building your list. What I really like about this week's giveaway is that it focuses on building a quality list. It talks about list squatters, and that's a problem that I think that most list builders run into, especially newbies. And you basically just try to get everybody on your list at first, and that seems like it's the right way to do it, but it isn't. Then you end up with a whole bunch of list squatters. What I really love about this video is it's going to help you to build a good list. You're going to have a list of good subscribers instead of bad subscribers. What's included? You will get an e-cover. You're going to get an opt-in page. So you automatically have an opt-in page or a squeeze page, as well as you're going to get an exit squeeze page. There's a confirmation page. There's also emails. So you've already got to start on your email campaign. There's video training as well as audio training. So you're going to have videos and audios. And those, of course, you can use for your own personal use, as well as you can use this as a giveaway. You can even sell this because it does come with resale rights. And resale rights, what that means is that you are allowed to sell it if you want to sell it. You are allowed to use it for your own personal use, as well as to use it as a giveaway, as an incentive, as a bonus. In addition to the videos and the audios, it also comes with PDF transcripts, 5 mini streaming websites, graphics, keywords, privacy policy, terms, disclaimer, resale rights. All this is included. I'm going to give you a link to that in just a moment. If you've noticed on the description or on the thumbnail, I did give you a warning. There is a joke involved with this video, and I want to get right to the joke. And the joke's about the dog food diet. It's a new dog food diet. Just yesterday, Rob was at Walmart buying dog food, and he was getting dog food for his dog Ralph. And Rob had got his dog food. He's at the checkout line, and the lady in front of him asked him if he had a bag of dog food. And Rob decided to have a little fun. So he told her he didn't have a dog. No, don't have a dog. Then he continued on to say that he was starting his new dog food diet all over again. He told the woman that the last time that he tried this diet, he ended up in the hospital. But on the other hand, that he had lost 60 pounds before he ended up in intensive care. So Rob was on a roll. So he continued to let the lady know that the dog food diet was actually a perfect diet. It was nutritious, it was healthy, it was sound. And he said you simply just carry the dog food around like in your pocket, and then when you're hungry, just pop a few dog food pellets in your mouth. By now, Rob was drawing an audience, so anybody within listening distance was tuned into Rob's story. So the woman replied, well, the diet doesn't sound so good if it puts you in the hospital. So it sounds like you're going to just poison yourself all over again. Rob let the lady know the diet did not poison him. That was not the problem. So she said, well, how did you end up in intensive care then? Rob answered with a smirk. I had stepped off the curb to sniff a collie, and a car came by and hit us both. By that time, practically the whole store was in stitches, including the lady. I hope you enjoyed that. I do want to give you the URL, the link to the access page, and that is Cuttly, cutt.ly//video giveaway. cuttly/video-giveaway. If you like this video, and I hope you do, give it a big old thumbs up. Do that right now. I'd appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and ring that bell. I don't want you to miss out on these videos. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. And allow me to wish you much success.